YouTube, how's it going? Josiah here with another video for you guys, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video, and this is the third vlog of this snow trip. So today is Sunday. We were supposed to leave like around 8 or 7 in the morning, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna vlog because we're just gonna drive home. But then we got alerts on our phones, and it said that there was a huge snowstorm and a blizzard, and all the freeways were closed, so we're basically trapped here. And I had school tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, so I guess I can't go. Look how much snow there is. Yesterday there was not this much. Bruh, oh my god. Right now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's snowing. It's been snowing since yesterday, like at 1 or 2 in the morning. It's been snowing since that, and it hasn't stopped. It was actually a lot harder, but it kind of like slowed down. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. So today we're not gonna do any sledding or anything. I think we're just gonna chill here and just look at this, dude. It's really like way taller than me. What? Oh my god. I want to break those so bad, but somebody lives there, so can't do that. This is literally right in front of our door. Look, it's the front door. Look.
Oh my god.
It's crazy. It was not even close to being like this yesterday. My feet are literally under. Huh?
Hey, chill.
And there's ice.
Hey, you guys wanna learn my remix?
I want to jump in this so bad. How hard it is. Like, it's actual ice. It's rock hard.
Are you taking a vlog or you have to go
Yes.
to the back?
Oh my god, it's snowing harder now.
I know, dude.
It's crazy. The snow is way higher than yesterday. Look, it's the same football field.
It's like knee deep.
But it's way deeper. We found this house. I don't think it was here yesterday. Oh my, what is that? That's gross. Icicles. They look orange. It's way higher. We're basically under it right now. Fucking freezing out here.
You're frostbite.
It's snowing so much.
You could kill someone with
We can't go to this house because we're gonna die. This is exactly how the people in the movie Everest died.
Freaking run.
They thought they were fine, but then they died because of the snow. So I ain't trying to die. Like where they sell the snacks for football games, I'm guessing. Look at all these icicles. It's raining so hard, my hands are literally frozen. Go home now, it's freezing out here. Like, not kidding, I can't feel my hand. Oh my god. Look how high it is. Oh my, bruh. Oh my, like, what? You can't even see what's over this snow. Okay, so I told Moy that we were gonna get in trouble because we got in trouble yesterday. And then we did. My mom just called me and she said if we don't get back like in a minute, we're gonna freaking go inside. Which we're gonna do anyway. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at the bridge you've been climbing all these days. Oh my god! I almost fell. Legit. That was not fake. Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost fell down there. I'm not even kidding. I dropped my glove. Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me. That's okay. I almost died. I caught it on camera. But we're good. Look at the fence. It's literally under the snow.
Hey. 10. 11. 12.
Should I shave or not?
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it, bro. Come on. Is this for the vlog? Oh my.
It's not even that bad,
Are
honestly.
you actually gonna put that on the vlog?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, no
Ow.
way.
They're trying to get me to shave, but I don't want to.
He needs to.
No. Maybe next week.
You got a freaking baby caterpillar on your
Should I shave or no?
shave. You need to, dude. Like, come on.
It looks
You
like.
shave your mustache, I'll shave all my hair.
I want you to leave it in the comments. Should I shave or
Welcome
not?
back to another video of
Wait. Where is it?
Where?
So they got the razors and they're trying to get me to shave.
I don't have
Supreme. Nah, it's not happening. Sorry.
Dude.
I want you to leave in the comments. Should I shave this or not? Because like 10 girls on Snapchat told me to shave it. I'm not kidding. I have messages. Open the door.
Can't even see.
What? Dude, you're mental. Open the. Are you? I have one shirt on. Open the door. Oh my. Open.
Oh my god. Dude.
Oh my. Kid, open the door.
Finally.
Why is it wet? Why is it wet?
I'm holding him.
It's wet. Stop.
Oh, his dad probably used it.
Ew.
Who knows where?
To force myself into shaving my mustache. What?
It's gonna happen.
Not today.
How far is she?
Not today. The Family Feud on the 1990 TV.
Yeah.
Let's get it. The Dickens. Oh my gosh.
Look at this. He comes out of
Oh,
nowhere.
bruh.
Look at this kid.
His mustache looks like a Cheeto.
Are you gonna leave yours like that?
What? No. Calm down, Simmons. Calm down. Okay, so it's like we're playing Really Cute again. That's how we've been doing this whole trip.
This whole trip freaking board games.
So, yes, this is. It's like 10:30. Everyone's asleep. Not really. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here now.
Goals.
Oh my god.